Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice. First, ensure you use day-old chilled rice. This is crucial for achieving that perfect non-sticky texture. Before you even turn on the heat, gather and prepare all your ingredients. This practice, known as mise en place, makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. A large wok or a spacious skillet will be your best friend for even heat distribution and easy stirring. Next, it's time to cook your proteins. Whether you're using chicken, shrimp, or tofu, cook them thoroughly in a little oil until they're just done, then remove them from the pan. This prevents overcooking. Now, add your aromatics like minced garlic and grated ginger, stirring until they release their wonderful fragrance. Finally, toss in your chosen vegetables, cooking them quickly until they are crisp tender, retaining a slight bite. Now for the star of the show, the rice. Add your cold, day-old rice to the hot pan using your spatula to break up any clumps. Spread it out to get some nice browning. Then, return your cooked proteins and crisp tender vegetables to the pan, mixing everything together gently. Season generously with soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil for depth, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Give your fried rice a final stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring all the ingredients are thoroughly heated through and the flavors have melded beautifully. This quick toss also helps develop that signature fried rice texture. Before serving, sprinkle generously with freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and a fresh, aromatic finish. Serve your homemade fried rice immediately to enjoy it at its absolute best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.